Alright guys, we're just going for a little ride. Saturday, the 29th of February, last day of the month. And mainly doing this video because last Saturday, me and my son put the convertible lift on this tri-glide, and I need to ride it about 50 miles. And then take it back home, check my lug nuts. There's a couple of waggers. It's 58 degrees, so figured there'd be a few bikes out today. And I do this video so I can let Harley Moonrider know what this ride's about, this lift. It's only supposed to raise it like 1.5 inches, but we measured it and it's raised it 1.75 inches higher up in the back. And so far, from what I can tell, the ride is a lot smoother. And we will, as soon as we get through town, we're going to hit a country road that's got a lot of curves. Probably won't show it all. We're going to go somewhere to eat down by Lake Pomme de Terre. I want to try this thing out on the curves and see how she handles with that lift. Anyways, I'll pause this and we'll see you here in a little bit. Alright, we're back for a minute. So far I'm liking the ride. It's definitely a lot smoother on the rear end of this thing. And I've already hit a couple of curves and the steering is quite a bit more noticeable that it is better with that convertible lift kit put on the back. So there you go, Harley Moonrider. Get that kit, get her installed, brother. It's not that hard. Took me and my son 3.5 hours to do this one, but it was the first time, so I'm guessing if I was to ever do another one, I could do it in half that time. I know it's beautiful out. It's 58 degrees. And tomorrow's the first day of March. So the days are just going to get better and better every day. And of course, we only got about 2 weeks where we do the time change thing again, so we'll have a little bit more longer daylight hours to ride here before too long. Pretty effortless turning around these curves, Harley Moonrider. It did make a big difference in the ride. Alright folks, that's all I got for you today, right now anyways. We'll talk to you later. Okay, we're back for a second. We're just fixing to go through the little town of Elkton, Elkton. Up there on the right's usually where I meet my brother, one of my brothers at the feed store, and we pick up and usually go riding from there a lot of times. We'll be through this little place in a blink of an eye. There's the feed store. And we're out of Elkton, so I'm gonna end it right here for just a little bit. Okay, we got about 2 25-mile-an-hour corners before we get to our destination. Corner number 1 completed. Corner number 2 on our way up. And our eating destination will be up here on the right. Pretty sure that I've took you guys this little restaurant before. It ain't a big restaurant, ain't fancy, but they got some good food. I do gotta say that. It's worth a 30-mile a ride. And well, looks like we got some other people gonna eat too. .254 Cafe. And here we are, we made it. So we're going to end it right here because we're going to eat a little bit, y'all. Talk to you in a bit.